What's up, y'all? It's Jullien Gordon from the Multifamily Movement, aka Mr. Multifamily, and I'm here at the title company right now. I'm actually doing 6 refinances on my properties here in New Orleans. When I originally bought them in the past 3 years, they had interest rates of like high 4s. Now I'm refinancing them down to low 3s. Together, that's going to save me over $1,000 per month in mortgage payments. And if you multiply that out by 360 months or 30 years, that's literally $360,000 that I'm going to save simply by signing my name on a few documents. And that's not even including the interest that I will accrue when I actually invest that money. That's just if the money comes to me and I had let it sit, right? So this is the power of owning real assets. This is how you leverage those assets to create more assets. This is the name of the game. We have to make our money work for us. That equity in your home just sitting in the walls doesn't do you any good. You want to get as much out as you possibly can and make that money work, all right? So if you haven't learned how to do this yet, you want to go to multifamilymasterplan.com. Every now and again, I do a webinar there periodically where I will show you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals, just like the ones that I'm refinancing right now. Again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. You gotta learn this game, all right? This is the name of the game. It's either own or be owned. Shout out to Andre Hatchett, all right? Multifamilymasterplan.com. Much love, y'all. Peace.